Hi sophomores, it is time for you to start working on your Naviance quarter one tasks, and I'm going to help you get started. So I will need you to log in with Clever using your laptop login and password, taking you to your Clever portal. Click on your Naviance icon to get you to your Naviance dashboard. Again, you'll scroll down to important to-dos and tasks. Your task for quarter one is to complete the MI Advantage 2.0. Once you click on it, your planner will show your task next to the pink arrow. Click the link and it'll bring up your instructions. So this task will take less than 20 minutes. You're going to answer some questions. I'll show you what it looks like. So the introduction questions, it looks like we'll have a scale that you will have to select on. Make sure when you select it, you see the bubble fill. If the bubble is not filled, it will not complete the task. So make sure you actually click in the bubble so it moves you on to the next step. Answer all the questions. Make sure it says that you've completed it and it's removed from your to-dos and tasks. If it is not or you're having any troubles, please feel free to reach out to your advocate for help. If you can't get a hold of your advocate or they aren't quite sure what's going on, go to your Google Classroom for the College Center and locate all of our emails at the very top post. Feel free to email us your questions. If you need us to jump on Zoom, we can help walk you through it. However, this is your task for quarter one, so good luck and let us know if you need any help.